Jadyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, hey sis. You can tell by the title in this video, we're gonna be doing a super beginner-friendly drugstore, fatty on a budget, light beat makeup tutorial. Basically, I'm gonna walk you guys through the steps that I took to get this look. This look is super beginner-friendly, super easy, and I'm using all of like 5 products. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you guys want to see from me. I know I've been MIA, but I'm telling you, I'm coming back in full effect, period. So, I'm gonna get done rambling. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All the products will be listed down below in the description box. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Let's jump straight into it. I'm starting off with my e.l.f. Luminous Primer and applying this all over my face. Primer promotes long-lasting makeup and it builds a smooth barrier between your skin and the makeup. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I probably would never wear foundation ever again. This is in the color 335 and I literally love this product. It's so moisturizing and light, but it also gives the girls coverage. I'm using a Real Techniques foundation brush and just buffing this all over my face, my neck, my ears, all that. As you can see, although this product is buildable, it still allows my skin to look like skin. I hate when I put on foundation and it just feels like it's just stuff on my face. Like, this is light, it's wearable, it's for the girls. Go check this out. Maybelline, you snap sis. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it, and every time he leave me alone, he always tell me. Now, this is one of my makeup staples. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Like, I don't even gotta talk too much. Watch me blend this concealer out like it does what it's supposed to do. I use 2 different shades, one to highlight and then one for a smooth transition within the rest of my face. Medium Peach is my highlight shade and Tan Latte is for my transition shade. And of course, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydro Concealer Sponge. I love this sponge because I find that other sponges I use pick up the product. I don't need that. This blends it out to a T. As you can see, I'm not dragging or moving the product anywhere. I'm simply using tapping motions to blend this product into my skin. And as for the edges, I'm going back in with that Real Techniques brush and just smoothing out the edge of my concealer. So I just got into cream contouring and I feel like that it just makes your face look so natural and just like effortlessly. Like, this is my real nose, this is my real cheekbones, okay? So I'm using the e.l.f. cream contour palette, I believe in the shade medium. Both of the brushes used are both from Morphe. I use a dense, smaller brush, and then this is an angled brush. I'm just going in along the sides of my nose and then also my cheekbones, okay? We gotta give the girls snatched. So as you can see, I'm applying this product along the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and then the temples and across my forehead. Another cream-based product that just screams natural is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm using a Morphe blush brush and I'm literally just dabbing this into my cheeks. It's just giving the girls rosy. It is so beautiful. So for our powder products, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder Foundation in the shade 360. I'm just going over wherever I place that cream contour with this powder just to put a seal so that cream product does not move. And then for the prettiest pink blush, I'm using Always Cheeky. Now to set our concealer all over the face, I'm using the Black Radiance setting powder in the shade Light. I'm also going in with the e.l.f. sponge we used earlier just to press this product into the skin. So after I set underneath the eyes, I take a generous amount and place it underneath the contour just to make sure this area is cleaned up and that my contour is sharp. Another staple in my makeup essentials is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I live for this pencil. Like, it makes doing your brows so easy. It is so beginner friendly, and I think every girl needs this in her collection. Hey, yo. I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can snack it, you can... So as you can see, my eyebrows are thick, so I don't really have to do too much. But this brow pencil makes it that much easier. It's so precise, it's small, and it gives you hair-like strokes that aren't super permanent and like wax looking. About me, I'm the baddest alive. He know the prettiest bitch didn't come until I... Your girl is focused, okay? I got a princess face, a killer body, samurai mind. They can't be Nikki, they so stupid. Don't judge me off of this palette. I obviously love this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation in the shade 310. And I'm using the same Real Techniques brush and just wiping away all the excess powder on my face. Than umbrellas and stickier than apple pie. I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it, and every time he leave me alone. So to finish off the face, I'm using the Black Radiance Dewy Setting Spray. Now to pull this look together, I'm going to go in with a regular brown lip pencil. I think I got this from the Beauty Supply. Just any brown liner will work for this. So my lip combo is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline and the e.l.f. Pumping Lip Gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it. And every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna F-R-E-A-K-F. Now to finish the look, I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I have you in my hair so y'all can really, you know, get the vibe. We gonna be in Tulum with the vibe. Yeah. So So let's get into this look. The whole set, my entire look, from the swimsuit to the cover up to the sandals, it is all from Shein. Super Tulum appropriate. This is so fire, like the colors. This is how the back looks. I am 5'5", and they go all the way down to my feet. I wish they were a tad bit longer. If you are taller than me, I wouldn't recommend this set, but it probably was like $20. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I want to say that thank you guys for being patient with me. I haven't even talked about how we hit 1,000 subscribers, and now we're at 1.5K. So like that is just crazy to me. I'm so excited to grow this platform and make a community of people like me, that look like me, that don't look like me, that share the same experiences as me. Like, thank you for watching. I know I've been neglecting y'all, but just know your girl's coming back in full effect, period. Okay? So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you comment down below. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Keep up what your girl is doing. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye, sis.
Keep these bitches on their toes like Manila. Be on the lookout when I come through. Bolo. Oh, wow. Elegant bitch with a hoe glow. If it ain't big, then I won't blow. Any, mo. Fuck is the T. I just up the G. Made him say, just ask Master P. Ball so hard.